Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest host today is Dream with Caroline, and the theme is Shades of Green. Okay, my tablescape is going to have a seashell green coloring with a little bit of blue, and I have this really pretty table runner from Amazon that has seashells on it. And then next I'm going to add this little green vase with some wispy white flowers in it. And there's even a green bow around it. And then next I'm going to be adding a couple of glass candle holders with green candles in it. Next I have these olive green dinner plates that I recently ordered from Amazon. And I will be setting a table for 4. Next is my salad plates. I have this one with a starfish on them. They have a green edging on them, so I've got that one. Now each of the salad plates has a different sea animal on it. And then I have a green napkin. And my flatware is the silver and gold flatware, as you can see right here. So I thought that made for a very pretty table setting. And here is my green glass. It looks like it's got like little bubbles in it. Very pretty. That was the Dollar General for the glass. So here is the second setting. I have sea turtles on this one, and this really pretty green tinted wine glass. I believe that was the Dollar Tree a few years ago. And the sea creature plates I did order from Amazon a few years ago as well. Here's one with a seahorse. Isn't that pretty? And here's a look at the centerpiece. And the last one here is a crab. And it looks really pretty on the green dinner plate. So that completes my table setting. Now continue watching as I light the candles. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would, go and check out the playlist and see what everyone else has done with their tablescape for today. And I hope that Caroline likes what I put together in the different shades of green. See you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.